Hey guys, how you doing? It's Ty, and I'm back again to do a video reaction. Yes, I'm happy to be back again, guys. It's spring of 2023, May 2023, and man, it's beautiful. Today is beautiful on the weekend. If you're not from the East Coast, man, we had a big storm on the weekend, last weekend, and man, it was something else. I mean, if you was on the highway. Oh man, you'd be praying because guys, people just having accidents left and right. But thank God, no one I knew, was seriously injured if in any accidents at all. You got to pray every day that you survive the day sometimes. But happy to be back today, guys. This is for my basketball viewers. This is a Bird versus Magic greatest rivalry in sports history. Yes. All right. It's Bird versus Magic. Yes, I know you bird people. You some bird. You love bird. I took some time away from my movies right now, just to focus on you guys, because you guys love me and I love you guys too. Okay. Okay. So this is the rivalry between Magic and Bird. Basically, the greatest rivalry, like I said. Um, so guys, just let me know what you want to see in the future with Bird and Magic also. I'm not sure if you guys want me to do any reaction on Magic. You guys are pretty quiet on Magic. Oh man, he was that terrible. I mean, the way you guys act like no one cares about this guy. All right. So I'm gonna start it up, guys. All right.
Mentioning Larry Bird and vice versa. They were two of the best, most successful players in the 80s.
All right.
Their rivalry saved the NBA from going bankrupt, shutting
Wow,
down. We'll talk about how their
that's good.
relationship started, how they drove each other
Didn't know
crazy, and
that.
how they formed the most
I thought the
iconic
NBA was
rivalry
pretty
in
good all the
sports
way through.
history. Growing up, Larry Bird was born in 1956 in French Lick, Indiana.
All right. By the way, guys, if you want to see this particular video that I review right now, it's nonstop. The channel is called Nonstop. All right.
2.5 years and 357 miles up north. Irvin Johnson said hello to the world from Lansing, Michigan. There were a lot of differences between the two, but there were also many similarities.
All right.
Both hailed from big, working class families, knew the values of hard work and sacrifice early on. Irvin was a flamboyant kid who wanted to get as much attention as possible. He was the most popular kid in high school and a prom king, while Larry
All
mainly
right.
wanted to be left the hell alone. When he had to get up and speak before the class, Bird wouldn't do it and would rather get an F than draw any attention to himself.
Wow.
However, these two polar opposites outside of basketball were the mirror images of each other once they had the ball in their hands. Both
Wow.
6'9", not overly athletic, but extremely smart and
I
super
didn't.
confident.
I didn't
They only
realize
gave
they
two or three
they
moves
were
in
six foot
exchange.
nine.
Both were team
Both of
oriented,
them.
and they had an equal desire when they played to win above all else. Magic won the state championship as a senior in high school, averaging 29 points and 17 rebounds.
Wow.
After which he decided to attend Michigan State. Bird averaged 31 points and 21 rebounds as a
Wow.
senior, and he got the scholarship from the Indiana Hoosiers.
Wow.
Coached by Bobby Knight, the Hoosiers were one of the country's most successful and famous collegiate basketball programs.
Bobby Knight.
However, Bird lasted only 24
Look at
days
this
in
guy with a
Indiana,
bald head.
with more than 30,000 people on campus and less than $100 in his pockets. It was
Wow.
overwhelming for a hick from French Lick. So Larry returned home to a town of 2,000 inhabitants and became a garbage man. He drove a
Garbage
garbage
man.
truck, painted park benches, cut grass, and
What?
fixed what needed to be fixed. His mom didn't speak to him for months
Garbage
as he
man.
ran away from a college
Garbage
scholarship.
man.
And after a year of picking up garbage, Larry decided to return to the university.
All right, guys. I know some people some individuals, some people don't want me to stop. No, you want to stop the video and talk. I understand that. Definitely understand that. But I wanted to ask, did you guys knew this about Bird that he became a garbage man? I mean, there's nothing wrong with being a garbage man, but to have a scholarship and not go forward to be a garbage, I mean, to be a college player, I guess because of money, probably thinking about the money part. You need that money at the time.
However, he opted to go to a much smaller Indiana State, which was much more suited for his social
Stadium.
skills at the time. While the Hoosiers
Uh,
won their third NCAA title in 1976, Indiana State had never even reached the NCAA tournament. However, that would soon change with Larry Bird on the team. Bird
wow.
averaged 30 points, 13 rebounds, and 5 assists per game with the Sycamores, and led them to an 81-13 record during his tenure. In his senior year, Indiana State reached the NCAA tournament
Wow.
for the first time, and did so in a
All
spectacular
right, Bird.
fashion, with Bird dominating the
Wow.
college ranks. Indiana State got off to a 33-0 record to reach the NCAA Finals against Michigan State and their sophomore point guard, Magic Johnson,
Wow.
dominating
They played
1979
against each other during
championship
college?
game in the
I did
NBA
not know
Finals.
that.
The first time Magic found out about Larry was from Sports Illustrated, which had a story about the best college player in the country. But he soon got to see for himself if that was true, because
Wow.
both Magic and Larry were selected to represent Team USA in the 1978 World Invitational Tournament. Larry and Magic were the best players on the court, trading behind the back passes and treating each other with no look assists. They had instant chemistry on the court, but off it, not so much, as
Wow.
Larry wasn't the most talkative person on the planet, as you can probably imagine. However, before the NCAA Finals in 1979, Magic still wanted to greet Larry and shake his hand before the game, because after all, they were teammates on the USA team less than a year ago. But
Wow.
Larry wasn't interested. He shunned Magic, and their rivalry officially began. The
Wow.
1979 NCAA Finals was the most watched NCAA Finals in history at the time, and it's still the most watched NCAA game ever to this
Wow.
day. A small school that had
That's
never won this
crazy.
tournament was undefeated throughout the season, and an unathletic blonde guy made them the most talked about team in the country.
Wow.
The other school was led
Indiana.
by a 6'9" point guard, which was never seen before. One was black, one white.
What?
One was
Yeah.
outgoing, smiled at the reporters. One was shy,
That would
unsure,
stand out.
led by the dancers. They were the polar opposites from the outside, but their games were so similar. That's what wrote the narrative and brought national attention. When the actual game started, two guys guarded Bird the entire game, and he struggled to get an inch of free space. Larry knew he had to score 40 for his team to beat the favorite Michigan State. However, Bird had a bad shooting night. He missed 14 of
Mm.
his 21 shots, and Michigan State
Wow.
won by 11. Bird always says that it's the toughest loss of his career. After
Wow.
the NCAA Finals, both Magic and Bird turned pro. The Lakers selected Magic with the first overall pick in the 1979 draft.
1979.
Sixth by the Celtics in 1978. And that was the
Wow.
last year a player could still stay in college after getting drafted. NBA saved him. By the end of the 70s, the NBA was in big trouble. TV ratings were down, attendance was low, and there was very little buzz around the league and its players. Out of the top 10 most watched basketball games in the 70s, 9 were college games. And tape delays were the norm for the NBA. Drugs were a big issue. The level of basketball wasn't that great.
Wow.
Fights between players happened on the
They were
regular.
doing that much
The
drugs?
of the league was terrible. Sponsorships were hard to come by, and the league nearly
Dang.
collapsed by the end of the
The
70s. However, when Bird and Magic came to the NBA in 19
guys, they were having fights like that, man. They were having fights like that. That's crazy. It's different now. It's really different now. I didn't realize they were, they were beating each other like that.
79, they brought the hype that surrounded them in college. They both made the All-Star team as rookies,
Wow.
transformed their teams into title contenders. The Celtics improved their win total by 32 games from the year before Bird and finished first in the Eastern Conference. Magic's Lakers were first in the West, and the teams were destined to clash in the finals. But the Sixers spoiled another Bird and Magic duel. On the morning of the
All
deciding
right.
Game 6 of the finals, the news came that Larry Bird won Rookie of the Year with 63 votes compared to just 3 votes for second place Johnson. Magic was pissed, and he'd go on to pour 42 points and 15 rebounds in the deciding
Wow.
Game 6, bringing Los
Magic.
Angeles their first
He
time
had magic.
in years and securing the Finals MVP.
Magic had magic.
He saw that Magic won another title. Bird was furious, and that's just who these guys were and how they behaved,
Man.
envious of each other's accomplishments and maniacal
Wow.
to elevate their play. Whenever the season schedule came out, I would circle the 2 games with Bob.
Guys, I mean, this is, I mean, the rivalry that these guys had towards each other, it's amazing. I mean, you don't really see that much right now. That another team will like look at another team, it's like, you know what, I want that. I'm aspiring to be like that. It, and then do it later on. I mean, they might say it, but they're not going to do it. They're not. They're not going to do it.
Those were the 2 games more important than the other 80, Magic Johnson said. I read the newspaper every day during the season. I was only interested in one thing. What numbers did Magic Johnson have last night? Said
Wow.
Larry Bird. In 1981, Bird won his maiden title with the Celtics. And in 1982, Magic won another one with the Lakers. After that, the league
Wow.
was essentially Bird and Magic. Than everybody else. TV doubleheaders always featured the Lakers and the Celtics against whoever they happened to be playing. From 79 to 84, the NBA's TV ratings rose significantly.
All right.
Attendance jumped 42% from 1979 to 89, easily the biggest gain among the 4 major American sports. While some credit has to go to David Stern and some to Michael Jordan, the main reason for the NBA's
Jordan.
rise has to do with Bird and Magic. They were were two phenomenal players who got drafted to the most iconic franchises and embodied
Right.
the
Makes
drama of
sense.
American race relations, but did nothing to stir up the hatred themselves. Finals clashes. After the Sixers defeated the Celtics and the Lakers to win the title in 1983, Bird and Magic finally both advanced to the great NBA stage in 1984. The final series was tough and tightly
Wow.
contested, with the winner decided in Game 7. The Celtics played at home, and Bird was never more determined to win. Magic played badly down the stretch.
Mm.
Larry finally got his revenge for the NCAA title loss in 1979,
Wow.
averaging
All right.
27 points and 14 rebounds. He was named the finals MVP, while the media butchered Johnson for his mistakes in the deciding
Dang.
moments. As a result, Magic was on a mission for the 1985 season and played the basketball
That's
of his
crazy.
life. The Celtics and
You
the
don't see that
Lakers made the
anymore.
finals again. And after a first game that finished 148 to 114 for Boston, it seemed like the Lakers didn't have it in them. However, after a big bounce back from Kareem, Magic steered LA to victory in 6 games
Wow.
and their first title in
That's
nine
nice.
NBA finals against the
That's
Celtics.
good.
In the summer of '85, after that final series, a monumental shift happened in Bird and Magic's relationship. They started a Converse commercial together, with Magic visiting French Lick and spending time in Larry's home with the entire Bird family. For the first time ever, they talked and exchanged more than two
All
sentences.
right.
After that, they struck a friendship, but their
All right.
rivalry was as bitter as ever. The Celtics won the title in 1986 against the Rockets, and Bird won his third consecutive MVP award. In 1987, the Lakers returned to the finals, again against Bird and the Celtics. In Game 4, Larry seemed to have scored a game winner, but Magic erased it with a spectacular hook shot with 2 seconds
Wow.
remaining, a redemption
Hook
coach
shot.
misses in 1984. Bird still had a
Bring
game
back the
winner
hook
to win,
shot.
but he missed a jump shot at the buzzer, and the
Oh
Lakers took a
wow.
3-1 series lead and eventually won the series in 6. After the finals, Bird called Magic the best player he'd ever seen. Later years, after
Oh,
the
that's
Lakers
when
won
he
their
said
Super
that.
Bowl and won another title in 1988, Bird was breaking down. He injured his back
He's
while
back.
chopping wood at French Lick in 1985.
Wow.
The injury worsened every season. He missed almost the entire 1989 season with a torn Achilles. When he came
Achilles
back,
tendon.
he needed nearly 3 hours of preparation and spinal adjustments to play basketball.
Wow.
He was under enormous pain, and it was hard for him to walk, let
Wow.
alone play.
That looks
Being the
painful.
tough SOB that he was, he stuck around until 1992, even though he should have probably retired in 1988. Magic kept winning MVPs by the turn of the decade, and the Lakers
Wow.
kept making the NBA Finals. However, they couldn't defeat the Pistons in 1989 and the Bulls in
Pistons.
1991 to claim the title. Before the 1992 season had started, Magic received terrible news. He contracted HIV and
Uh,
subsequently retired from the NBA. Bird was in shock, and he immediately called Magic. Johnson confirmed that the news was true, and he later said that the call from Bird meant the world
yeah.
for him because he realized how much affection Larry really had for him, despite their rivalry. Larry said that he felt the
Wow.
same that day as on the day that his father passed away. For the first time in his career, he didn't enjoy playing as much, with Magic not playing. But that wasn't the
Wow.
end. Larry and Magic had their last hurrah. First, they played as opponents after Magic got an invite to play in the 1992 All-Star game, which he dominated and won the MVP. And then later that year, they rode off into the sunset as teammates at the Barcelona Olympics. Because their NBA
Eh,
careers were over,
good
their
story.
masks fell completely off. Bird and Magic became really good pals during their time with the Dream Team.
Wow.
Legacy. Magic and Bird played against each other 37 times in their NBA careers.
37.
Johnson won
Wow.
22 of
Not
those
bad.
games, compared to Bird's 15. When it
All
comes to
right.
trophies, it was 8 finals, 5 titles, and 3 MVPs for Magic.
Wow.
5 finals, 3 titles, and 3 MVPs for Bird. In the end,
Nice.
Magic won more hardware, but Bird was likely a more complete player because he was a better shooter, especially early on. Both
Yeah.
players worked
It was real
extremely
good
hard to
shooting.
outplay the other. Intellectually,
Wow.
the biggest motivation. Their rivalry was the biggest storyline in the 80s, and it saved the NBA. They desperately needed saviors. In 2010, Larry and Magic wrote a book together. In 2019, they got the NBA Lifetime Achievement Award together.
All
Even though they
right.
are still polar opposites, Larry and Magic always seem to be intertwined, go together like peanut butter and jelly.
Wow. Wow. Okay, guys, that was a good story. That was a good story. I definitely enjoyed it. I have questions. One question that I noticed, they said that they were 6'9". I know is irrelevant, but they said they were 6'9". Together they were 6'9". But it looks like Bird was like 2 inches taller than Magic constantly throughout the video. So I'm assuming that I'm curious maybe that Bird was like they grew a little taller when they got the height before that, but that's nothing. But I'm curious though. When do you guys think that Bird came out his shell? Because he was like really like restricted. He didn't want to like come out his shell. But like seemed like when he got to the NBA, he opened up a lot. Like when you guys think that he did that? I'm curious. I'm really curious because I mean, all this time I'm doing these reviews, I never realized that Bird had a moment, I guess, in high school and college that he was learning how to be a trash talker. And he learned when he learned how to be a trash talker. I mean, when he came out and showed that he was a trash talker. That's what I want to know. So guys, let me know like what you guys think. Like when he developed that trash talking nature, and then later on, just like everyone else in the NBA was trying to be like him, trash talking all the time. All right, guys. I enjoyed this history. This is history now, and it was good. I liked it. Magic and Bird. I mean, like I said before, if you want me to do a review, video reaction review um, um, on Magic, just let me know. It's just crazy. No one really cares to have it, but let me know, guys. All right.